Hey guys, today's video is about prepper items I bought today. And what is it in this bag? Let's find out, shall we guys? After this message. And we will be back. Welcome back. Let's see what we have in this bag. What kind of prepper items did I bought for today's video? Let's dive into this bag, shall we? And I need to be a little bit gentle because I don't want any accidents. The first item I want to show you guys are these two lanterns. They use tealight candles, and these will give a decent light. So it's always nice to have two of these, and I love the color. They had also another color. I didn't like that one, so I bought those two in white. We put those two away for a moment. And the next item I bought is two flashlights. Energizer 270 lumen. Pretty good flashlight and pretty good lumen for a small flashlight like this. And I bought one for me and one for my wife, because these are really handy. The size is decent, fits in a pocket, in a handbag, whatever bag you prefer to put it in, or pocket. So I'm gonna test these, mine, and see how this one will work. So now I put these two away. And I also bought the third item is those two knives. Those are very useful. Open packages, cut some string, and it's useful to have in your pocket or in your handbag. Works for most of the tasks you want to do, except for, well, you can probably do some lighter carving, but you don't want to carve in a log. But a pencil, sharpen a pencil if you don't have a pencil sharpener. These are cheap, so what the heck, I buy one for me and one for my wife. Okay guys, that's it for today's video, and thanks for watching. I appreciate every one of you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget the notification bell so you know when I upload a new video and go live. Thanks for stopping by. ShadowScoutSwede out. I'll see you in the next one.